So next up is next session is around my colleagues who will be updating us about the new and exciting features which I promised to you guys in the start of the event. Next one is Rishub Golchha. He's our consultant from GCC, and he'll be talking about some of the exciting features we're releasing in April, including progress reporting inside Diaries. So over to you, Rishub.
Hi, thank you, Bill. Can somebody put the spotlight on me, please?
Yes, and while we're sorting out the Rishab's camera, one thing I would say that if you guys have any questions and answers as announced in start, you can still write them in Q&A session. Our team will be answering all of your queries. If not, right now, shortly after the session, so please feel free to ask the questions. Over to you, Rishab.
Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Bill. Greetings to everyone here today. We have several exciting features which will be made available in our forthcoming release 3.3. I will introduce a great new feature called progress reporting and site diaries in this particular segment. Irrespective of the project size, cost, and duration, one thing is certain, that the action is at the construction site. Every day is a new day. Therefore, it becomes imperative that project stakeholders be informed of progress and other site-related information at a regular cadence. One of the easiest ways is to fill out a progress report and distribute it to the relevant stakeholders. Now, Xpedeon's progress report or the site diary capability is a paradigm shift in how project teams can communicate. It facilitates communication between the offices, boardrooms, and the site. It helps everyone involved stay on the same page. So while drafting this requirement, we studied the progress report formats used by multiple organizations. Every report had a section describing work done at site, but that was where the similarities ended. Each organization had different focus areas, and thus the other elements differed from company to company. There is no standard format for a progress report. For example, some organizations list incidents that may have occurred at site, while other organizations track the risks, delays, and so on. Thus, in Xpedeon, we have developed a flexible infrastructure through which all your requirements can be met. It is highly configurable and customizable and gives you the power to define the data that you wish to capture and view. We have divided the system into the following areas that can be configured for capturing information quickly and easily from the project sites, which is the work done at the site on that particular day. Photos and videos of the work done can be attached along with other documents like the drawings, MOMs, etc. User-defined data elements in the form of multiple rows can be configured for various additional areas. Now, what those areas can be, for example, it could be information like incidents, risks, and delays, as previously mentioned. The other information can be entered using other fields, which can be configured, as we call it extension data in our language. These can be the weather conditions, job site conditions, and so on. So to make things easy for the site-based users, we have provided data capturing via mobile application and the core application as well. The progress reports entered at sites are presented to the managers and stakeholders in the form of dashboards. So apart from the work done and other flexible areas discussed in the previous slide, other areas and data from Xpedeon processes is also available in these dashboards for your reference. You could include areas such as plant and equipment deployed at site, material received and issued, material in stock, attendance at the site in terms of headcount of labor and staff, etc. These dashboards, they give you the power to understand what is happening at the site at the touch of a button. Isn't that exciting? Let me now show you a few of screens that how the data can be captured from the mobile application as well as the core application. And these are few of the dashboards that can be configured. Now these are purely representative and can be configured to highlight the areas that you would wish to see in your project sites. In conclusion, let us see some key benefits of using Xpedeon's progress report or site diary capability. First and foremost, it is highly customizable and can be configured to meet each organization's specific requirements. It helps to digitize the process that is either manual right now or done via emails and even through WhatsApp messages. It streamlines the communication between the project team and the management. And instead of viewing data in multiple screens, messages, emails, you can view it in a single consolidated dashboard. As we all know, information is power, and Xpedeon's new progress reporting hopes to empower you to manage your projects in a more efficient manner. I would like to thank you all for your time, and please do reach out if you have any further questions. Thank you. Over to you, Bill.
Thank you, Rishub. Thank you. That was great.
Bill.
Thank you so much for updating us about the new features, new exciting features.